Hello, this is the CEO of Weisenbach Investments, and I am reviewing short-term futures trading. The first future I'm going to look at is cocoa futures. So as you can see, it came off its high here on my chart. It came to its high, bouncing off its low. So it's coming off, and for a period of time, about a month or so, I would be shorting cocoa futures. But as you can see, at its value area right here on the market profile, this is a weekly market profile. It's reaching its value area. So what I'm thinking is it could bounce back up from its value area and reach the top of its value area, somewhere between here, 2340 and 2347, and then bounce back down. And if you hold it for about a month or so, oh wait, sorry, this is a daily, this is a weekly. If you hold it for a week, the best you can expect is 2093. I wouldn't hold it that long. I would short it all the way down at 2267, and the best price is 2272, and I would be out of the price of cocoa futures, but it probably will make a short bounce back, but market sentiment could send it down a little bit. So cocoa futures would be a good short if you can put it in properly at the right time. So next I am going to look at crude oil futures. Okay, as you can see, crude oil has almost bottom. It's coming off its bottom. So I think this would be a good time to buy crude oil futures and hope for it to appreciate. If they get down to 95.18, I would definitely be a buyer. It's right at the bottom of its daily value area, so it'll probably bounce back up. And it's almost at the bottom of the value area on its weekly market profile, so I would buy this when it gets down to this area. And if it gets to the bottom, that's when I would buy it back. As you can see, it's bounced off at the bottom, went to its daily high here. Well, not the daily high, but it bounced up past its value area and it has bounced down. So it could probably go to 95.17, something like that, and I believe it will bounce back up. So it would be a good trade if you can get it at 95.17. Recommended it last week to buy them if they go any farther, and I'm still recommending to buy them. So soybean futures will be my next one. As you can see, they have shot down quite a bit here. I would buy right this level. It's right above its low, and what it did is it had low market profile here. It bounced and shot to its high, and the market knocked out the price here. So I am a buyer at this level right where it is, and I am bullish on soybean futures. But I would wait for the trend to turn around a little bit, make sure there's enough market sentiment to push the trade. Okay, next I will look at corn futures. And I am bullish on corn futures. I think the trend is turning around. Bottom out here and going up. So best you can hope. This is probably the highest it will go at 632. Its high was 634.75, and it shot down on low market profile. Market profile was low enough right below its point of control where there's the most value is, and it shot up to its top of the value area, and it shot down, made a little bounce buck up when it hit below value area, but the market sentiment crushed it. So I think the trend is starting to go up a little bit. It bottom out here, and that's the trend. The support level is right around, well, here's its support level around here, and its resistance level right here. So it has just bounced off its support level, which is a bullish sign. Next, I'm going to look at silver futures, and I am a fan of silver futures. I'm bullish on them. I would buy them based off the trend it's taking. Made a little bounced up due to the market, but I would be in silver futures for the next couple of days or so. So silver futures is pretty bullish, and the trend has turned around, so I'm good with it. And what it did is it bounced off its short-term support level right here. So it's going down. I think it has a chance to go up a little bit. Okay, next I'm going to be reviewing gold futures. And gold, I am pretty bearish on gold futures. They may make a short-term bounce back. As you can see, it's starting to go up a little bit, but if you look at its longer term chart, it still has a little ways to go, but it's right below value area. It has a little farther to go, but I'm pretty bearish on gold futures for now. I would wait for a turnaround in price. So next, we're going to look at wheat. And I would be buying wheat futures right now. It just came off its resistance level there, and here's its support level, short-term support level. So I think it has a way to bounce back up, and I would actually hold it down to pretty high. 656.22 is my maximum, preferably 647. That's when I would sell it. So I'm pretty bullish on commodities right now, but something to be careful about is you want to be careful about this trend going up here. So allow the trend to break out, and then I'll be interested in wheat futures. Okay, next I'm going to look at soybean oil. Should have done this before, but there we are now. And the price of soybean, I am as well bullish on soybean oil futures. The trend hasn't turned around yet, but it's right at the support level, which I like. And here is its short-term resistance level. So I would buy it off its support level, and probably I would even hold it to 56.3, which is the best price for soybean oil futures. Sorry, I have a little bit of a cold right now. So next I'm going to look at coffee futures. And what we're looking at coffee futures is it came down at its value area, and it is starting to turn around. Here's its short-term support, and here's its short-term resistance level. So I think it could go down a few notches to 175.3. I am bearish on coffee, but there's not too much reward in the area. So the issue here is once it goes below its point of control, there's a chance that it could bounce back up, and then kind of shoot. Sometimes they do that. So I am not a big fan of trading this short term, at least. Okay, my last is going to be gasoline futures. And I think the trend of gasoline is starting to turn around. And here's our support and resistance levels. The trend is turning around, so I'm pretty bullish. It's entering its value area, so I could hold it up 3.24. That would be a good price for gas, and the price was knocked down due to its high price. As you can see, it could have a short-term bounce back on its price, but I wouldn't hold it any longer than a month. I would only hold this for a couple of days. So that's my wrap up on short-term futures trading. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it was helpful. Remember, this is the CEO of Weisenbach Investments. Our website is weisenbachinvestments.webs.com, and we are a financial newsletter company. We provide financial newsletters. We cover futures, options, stocks, and ETFs. Oh, and mutual funds, of course. Some of our best strategies are short-term trading strategies and value investing strategies. If you're interested, again, go to our website at weisenbachinvestments.webs.com, or you can find us on Google by looking up Weisenbach Investments. Thank you for listening.